Hello, hello, Snuggles. Are you comfortable in your little bed? Huh? You are. You like it down there, huh? It's a cold day. Snuggles is sleeping in his little bed with his toys. Say hello, everybody. Look at me. I got a comfortable bed. It's a doggy bed, but say I can use it too. Right? Yeah. Say hello. Hello, baby. Hi. Cozy, huh? Nice and cozy. It's cold day. It's very cold. Snuggles like that. It's comfortable, soft. He can just spread out and sit and chill. He likes that, right? You like it? Huh? You like that? Say, yeah, I like that. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Hello. Hey. All right, baby. Relax.